Hi everyone! Welcome to the new episode of Mandarin with Karen. First of all, I just want to say a big thank you for the support and kind words for the first episode. It means a ton to me. Going forward, I'm gonna make more videos, hoping to help the people out there who wants to learn Chinese. In this episode, we're gonna continue with the self-introduction. We're going to learn about the usual sentences that we use when meeting with someone we haven't met for a long time. So, let's dive in. In the last episode, we learned how to say hello in Chinese. 你好,你好. You may also want to say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Good morning in Chinese is 早上好，早上好。早上 means morning, 好 means good. 早上好。Good afternoon in Chinese is 下午好。下午好。下午 means afternoon. 好 means good. 下午好。Good evening in Chinese is 晚上好。晚上好。晚上 means evening. 好 means good. 晚上好。So, 早上好，下午好，晚上好。The next sentence we're going to learn is I haven't seen you for a long time, or it's been a long time since we last met. It is 好久不见，好久不见。好 means good. There's another meaning of 好 means very. In this context, it means very. 好久 means long. 不 means no. 见 means see. So it literally means haven't seen you for a long time. 好久不见。The next sentence is, how is everything? 一切都好吗？一切都好吗？一切 means everything. 都 means all. 好 means good. And 吗 is a question. So we're asking you, is everything all good? 一切都好吗？ So we just learned a brief conversation. Goes like this. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's been a long time since we last met. How's everything? 早上好，中午好，晚上好。好久不见，一切都好吗？ Now let's proceed to the second part of this lesson. We're going to learn to talk about different occupations in Chinese. In this short video, we're going to start with some fun industries or jobs first, such as social media influencer, video blogger or vlogger, actors and actress, etc. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about more occupations, including the traditional industries. So let's dive in. If we want to ask people about what do they do for a living or which industry are they in, there are usually two ways of asking it. The first way is more casual. It goes like this. 请问您是做什么的？请问您是做什么的？ 请问 means please may I ask. 您 means you. It has the same meaning as 你, but we like to use this word 您 on someone that we just met for the first time. We also like to use this word on someone who's more senior or more respectful figure. 是 means do. 做 means work. 什么 means what. So it literally asks you, please may I know what do you do for a living? So, 请问您是做什么的? The second way of asking you what do you do for a living is more formal. It goes like this. 请问您从事什么行业？请问您从事什么行业？请问 means please may I ask. 您 means you. 从事 means work, engage. 什么 means what. 行业 means industry. So it means which industry are you working in? 请问您从事什么行业? Alright, now let's come to the final part of this video. We're going to learn some fun words together. We're going to learn how to speak social media influencer in Chinese, which is 网红. 网红. 网 means internet. 红 means red, popular. In this context, it means popular. 网红. The next word is short video blogger. 短视频博主。短视频博主。短 means short. 视频 means video. 博主 means blogger. 短视频博主。The last two words are actor and actress. In Chinese, they both are 演员。演员。If you want to distinguish the gender, we say 男演员。男演员。男 means male. Male actor. Actress in Chinese is 女演员。女演员。女 means female. So 女演员 means actress. I hope you have been enjoying this class so far. In the first part of this class, we've been talking about self-introduction. The second half of this class, we've been talking about occupation. We also started introducing in some fun words. In the next class, we're going to continue the expansion of the occupation, or we're going to form them into different sentences. I hope you are going to have a good day. We'll see you next time. Bye.